Starting any successful business means acquiring clients and generating sales. For those in the credit repair industry, the process of finding clients can be much easier and straightforward than some in other business segments. For people who are already involved in tax preparation, the mortgage or lending industry, real estate, automotive sales and leasing and other business which require their clients to have good credit, it can be as simple as letting the existing client base know that you have a credit repair solution available for them. For those who aren't involved in those types of industries or who are just starting out, there is another simple and free way to begin generating a client base for their credit repair business. To get started with credit repair right now for free, head over to Liberty Credit Consulting to download the free Credit Repair Business Startup Kit. It contains over 100 plus professionally written dispute letter templates and a complete step-by-step guide to getting started with credit repair. Also included is a customized Excel spreadsheet so you can work with multiple clients at once. To download the free kit, just log on to libertycreditconsulting.com and click the green button. Common misconceptions about getting started with credit repair. 1. The credit repair industry is a small market with limited potential clients. Credit repair is considered by some to be a niche market, however, if this is the case, the niche is extremely large. In fact, the credit repair industry is so robust that the FTC created an entire set of rules and regulations to handle the enormous demand of the industry. Title IV of the Consumer Credit Protection Act, also known as the Credit Repair Organizations Act, regulates credit repair business operators and establishes rules and regulations that must be followed by credit repair providers. Statistics released from the FTC show that 79% of all people have errors on their credit reports. With almost 210 million people in the United States over the age of 18, there are nearly 165 million adults in the country in current need of credit repair. This huge market of potential clients is virtually untapped, meaning those who elect to start a credit repair business right now have an almost unlimited demand of clients who are losing money every day because of errors on their credit reports. This untapped market is in desperate need of quality credit repair services. 2. Experience is required to start out in credit repair. One of the most common misconceptions about starting a credit repair business is that experience is necessary. Although common sense would seem to make this true, one of the unique propositions of starting a credit repair business is that anyone can get started for free and learn the skills, rules and regulations required to get results for their clients as they go. In fact, the vast majority of credit repair companies in existence today were started by individuals who had no experience with professional credit repair when they began offering their services. 3. You must be a lawyer, or have legal experience to start a credit repair business. This is another common misconception that people have about credit repair. While it is true that at some point in the credit repair process, typically at the very end, there are certain circumstances that would require the services of a lawyer, in general lawyers are not needed when performing credit repair. Legal experience is also not necessary or required. In the event that a consumer elects to sue a credit reporting agency, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, for violating their rights, or in other rare instances, the services of a lawyer may be advised. For most credit repair companies, if legal expertise is required, they simply refer their clients to an experienced consumer protection attorney. 4. You must pay for advertising to get your first client. If you are already self-employed, or have done any research into owning and operating a business, you might feel as though expensive advertising is necessary to get started. Things such as search engine optimization, advertising, content marketing, social media marketing and others are great once a business is established and generating revenue, but are not necessary when first starting out. The truth is that when first getting started you don't need to have any advertising budget, or pay for advertising of any kind. Those things shouldn't be tossed aside, but almost everyone who starts their own credit repair business does not need any of these paid advertising methods to acquire their first clients. How to get your first credit repair client for free. Hopefully learning the previous 4 misconceptions about starting a credit repair business has helped you to understand that most people who don't follow through on their dreams of self-employment and business ownership do so simply because they've been taught to believe there are obstacles holding them back, when in fact, the only obstacle stopping them from being successful is their reliance on inaccurate information. Getting your first credit repair clients, and then growing and scaling your business, is something that every potential credit repair business owner wants and needs to do, and the way to do it is so simple it's overlooked by most. This method for starting out is for those who are serious about getting started, and it is a free, practical, easy-to-use method that everyone can do without spending a lot of time or any money. The free credit repair kit available on libertycreditconsulting.com contains everything needed to process your first clients, including dispute letters, books and manuals, and a customized Excel spreadsheet that can be used to track your dispute process from start to finish for multiple clients. When you are ready for your first client, here is what to do. This technique requires less than 5 minutes of your time, your Facebook page, and one simple, actionable message. You can do this right now to test it out. Caution: this method will result in clients, so don't use it until you are ready. To get started, just open your Facebook and post this message to your wall. I'm learning credit repair right now so I can help people raise their credit scores to save money on loans and qualify for their dream car or home. Before I start charging for this service, I need to find a few people willing to let me experiment with what I have learned. I won't charge anything and will provide this service free of charge. Comment or message me if you'd be interested. Although simple and free, this exact method has been used by countless credit repair operators to gain their first clients, hone their skills, and begin to develop the invaluable momentum and word of mouth that can be obtained through this method. Too easy, right? You will be amazed by the number of people that will respond to this method. Remember, almost 80% of the adult population has errors on their credit reports that are costing them money, and this includes your personal Facebook community. You can help them change their life for the better. Not only will you develop valuable skills, this one tactic will instantly demonstrate the huge demand in the market that credit repair business owners can fill. This tactic creates a win-win scenario for yourself and your clients that will build your confidence and provide invaluable exposure, especially if your clients are willing to provide a positive review for the amazing service you provide to them for free. This method is all you need to get your first client and start working. By working with real clients, you will be able to practice, learn, and perfect your process. Becoming an expert at anything takes time, so the sooner you get started, the better. To download your free credit repair business startup package, please visit libertycreditconsulting.com. The free kit contains everything needed to learn credit repair and track the dispute process for multiple clients. Over 100+ professionally written dispute letter templates are also included. Don't wait for great credit. Visit Liberty Credit Consulting to download your free credit repair kit right now.